So you're an introvert looking to make passive income online and you're looking for a side hustle. And I'm going to honestly be very simple. When it comes to passive income, the real passive income is going to be from investments. So don't let people misconstrue what real passive income is. Now, a better active income other than your linear job is going to be on the internet. So my main focus to you is showing you two things. One, the demand, and two, the software. Because the biggest thing with an introvert is trying to figure out, is there a demand for this? Meaning, can I post and have a chance at making money online? And two, how can I automate this, or how can I not be an influencer, so to say? So if we come on vidIQ and come to research, you can see right here, I'm going to show you something cool. Passive income ideas for introverts. Right? So you can see this is actually a rising topic. How I found it. 6,000 searches per month. It's rising, 80% increase this month. High overall score, very low competition, meaning not a lot of people are making videos on this. So you can see right here, regular passive income for introverts, online side hustle. So these are all things that I can literally put in my video and references. So there's a demand. If we type in work, let's do something like work from home jobs. You can see that. If we type side hustles and we just put online, 8,000. If we type in how to make money online, 1,000,000. This is a hard look. 64,000 views per hour, medium competition. Look at this, 1.3 million searches, right? So if I can touch just a little bit, people want to work from home for numerous reasons. One of the main reasons is people want their life back. They either got forced to have a more remote job, or they just want it. Um, and two, you want something that can pay you more without you exchanging more time. So when you sell digital products on the internet, physical products on the internet, you can make money around the clock. So when I upload this video, it can go get seen by one person, two people, 200 people, 2,000, 2,000,000 people. And if this aligns with what they need, they can buy whatever it is I'm selling, and I can make money like that. Whether I'm outside, I'm at work, you're doing gig work, you have something that can make you money on the side. And I think that's where people misconstrue actually passive income. But the demand is here, right? You see the demand. So step two is going to be software. So software is going to be the next biggest thing. Everyone's selling courses on the internet, selling education, like this stuff right here, the invisible step to freedom. And actually, people aren't even selling this type of education. They're selling education around a million different topics. So if you buy a course that has 50 streams of income, there's no focus on one. I mean, it's just a whole bunch of generic things around a million different topics. This company has pretty much became a software company. So you have this main product, which is like a page builder. So there's people actually looking for stuff like this for their business. There's a lot of businesses without good websites, or you can come back and go in our premium tools. So a lot of people who are wanting to post social media content, don't want to be an influencer, but they need help with their post. So if we come back here, this software takes what's on your mind. You create a profile around what's on your mind, what you want to sell, who you want to sell it to, and it helps you set this up. And then it makes Facebook posts for you, writes emails for you. It has AI. So, you use ChatGPT, use Claude. We have our own AI that you can ask anything, but it's geared towards your audience. So another big problem people have out there is they're selling stuff on the internet, but they don't know their audience. So you can make videos multiple times a day just on helping people solve the problem of not knowing who their audience is. Like this video is for introverts who want to make passive income or make money online. Very specific. That's all I'm talking about. I'm not talking about anything else in this video. Image generator. So I do stuff like thumbnails or Facebook posts, images, because I post mainly on YouTube and then I post on Meta. And then sometimes I go to Pinterest and I post reels, but I'm actually working on faceless reels for you guys. So that's where my main focus has been. And if we come back one more time, there's a whole bunch. I don't want to go all day on these, but we have something to help you write your emails. And this guy right here, which is the owner of this, one of the owners of the software, put his 20 years of experience in this process. So it also takes your profile of who your audience is, what you're selling, his experience, your profile, meshes it to make a great email. And then we have it where you can post your reels to multiple platforms at one time. And the software goes on, right? Can we agree that there's a demand for the software and you're not just selling something about selling something? There's actual software. So when this company became a software company, it was over with. And a lot of people don't know about this. So you need to be the one sharing this. So with this company, they pay 80% commissions, meaning this product, for example, this is a productivity app where you can track your goals, make sure you're on schedule every day. It's $10 a month. You sell it, pays you $8. Same for the rest of these products. So a lot of people start with these first 3 products. And what's going to happen is it's about a total of products, and they're on a monthly subscription. So you're going to get 80% of that. So you're going to make $128 every customer per month on these 3 products alone. And then this financial literacy product, some people buy it right away. It's a more higher ticket product, but it's all around taxes, investments, and stuff to do with your money. And there's a few software in there too for debt elimination, etc. So there's a discount on this one. If you get it in the first 3 days, it's 50% off. But you have your one-time payment, and you have your recurring income. The reason why you want to build your income on recurring, because then it becomes passive. So for example, if you get 302 customers this month times 128, and these customers really want this product and they keep it month after month after month after month, you make that month after month, even if you don't get a new customer. So that's why this is probably a harder business to build, because it's recurring, but it rewards you way more. And I want to leave you with this one thing, as it's just internet. So it's just content on the internet. It's not a lot of exchange of effort. It's every day I wake up and I learn my platform, I learn my audience, and I learn my content. Just like me, I'm voicing and showing you one screen. I probably haven't even really switched many screens, and I'm just giving it to you exactly how you need it. You're gonna make the educated decision if you want to look further at what I have or not. I'm not selling you hard. I'm just showing you what you need. So if you take anything from this video, take this. I'm putting in front of you something that you need or something that you really, really want. That's it. I don't have to convince you. See, a lot of people, you can sell that. You can make that into an ebook right there. And that would do wonders, because a lot of people don't understand. If you want to do affiliate marketing, digital marketing, get a product that has demand. And the demand is not because it's viral and everyone's talking about it. The demand is someone needs it. Like a lot of people, a lot of wealthy people say sell to rich people instead of poor people. And what they actually mean, to me, another version of it is sell to people who know what they want and give them what they want. That's it. Other people who are confused, which they might say lower income people, they're confused. They have a lot of anxiety, a lot of things going on. They don't know what they really want. And you're trying to offer them something that they don't know if they really want, versus people who might have it more together and they've actually been thinking of a plan, but they need the step by step. They know what they want. They just need the implementation, guys. So I'm gonna leave everything in the description below. And make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to actually show you editing methods, software that I use to do other things with making money on the internet. And this is going to become a one-stop shop for you to learn how to do affiliate marketing or learn how to grow your business if you're someone already in the industry, like network marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing.